Introducing bolt-free shelving system, the ultimate solution for small parts storage in your warehouse by J Storage Solutions. The bolt-free shelving system eliminates the need for costly beams, setting a new standard for efficiency with high-quality clips or fasteners securely holding the shelves, making it cost-effective and easy to assemble. These shelves can be adjusted to different heights in 25mm increments without the need for any tools. The shelves are fully customizable and adaptable, enabling multi-tier installations with mezzanine floors and supporting high shelf load capacities of up to 300 kg per shelf. The sleek and user-friendly design is the perfect solution for maximizing capacity, streamlining order picking, and boosting operational efficiency in warehouses and stores across different industries. From small parts to bulky items, our shelves can handle it all, featuring lengths of up to 1,500mm and depths of almost 700mm, allowing you to optimize every inch of space. They can accommodate loads of up to 300 kg, ensuring the safety and security of your goods while seamlessly adapting to your evolving needs. Key benefits and features include: ideal for packing materials, provides secure access to higher levels, simplifies navigation within your warehouse, ideal for high volume storage, offering exceptional visibility. We offer shelves with plain and perforated options, along with dividers and a range of finish options to choose from, including pre-galvanized, hot dip galvanized, and powder coating. Our multi-tier applications feature various panels and flooring options to suit your specific requirements. Different shelf components include galvanized panels, perforated panels, powder-coated panels, mesh decks, grating walkways. Ready to revolutionize your small parts storage? Contact J Storage Solutions today.